Why do we laugh at loud noises? Caveman hear big noise, like rock fall. Caveman jump, body shake, eyes wide. Caveman think noise hurt, but not hurt. Noise make brain buzz like bee in head. Bee buzz make us laugh, that is truth. Loud noise same as bee buzz, fast and loud. Caveman jump, then laugh like happy kid. Laugh help brain forget pain. Laugh make heart beat fast like drum. Drum beat make try dance. Dance make noise go away. Noise not bad, noise make us free. Caveman see baby laugh at baby cry. Cry loud. Baby laugh, not sad. Laugh help come, not fight. Laugh make friend, not enemy. Cavemen learn noise not danger. Noise just sound, like wind or thunder. Thunder loud, but not hurt. Laugh help us live, not fear. Sand sail, laugh make brain happy. Teamwork make loud noise fun. Lesson is noise not fear, it is friend.